this episode of I'm Glad I Woke Up.
Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Montague, or near Greenfield, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, West Springfield, Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Palmer, Athol, Winchendon, and Monson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire. The